मैं निवेदन करना चाहूंगी कृपया towards the popping crease and off we go. First ball of the Bengaluru leg.
Width on offer. That's nicely played away towards deep point. That's running away to the boundary ropes as well. Kanti Yogi comes in the air, and was that not carried? And they also appeal for the run out. There is
Thakur makes her way back to the pavilion. She had clobbered this into the leg side. It was uppish, fell marginally short. One bounce into the lap of the fielder there. Good pick up and throw. Good collection from the wicket.
12 for 1 on the board.
Sarita Khimire back into the attack. And that has been swatted with disdain. And we are all ready for the fifth ball.
Good stop. Very good stop. Binita Pun out there.
Every starting 11 needs to have 4 B3 category players who are totally in command of their
one as well. Simudas once again nudges it. 2 more runs. Aneka Thakur has to hurry. And now look at this. And another throw. But this is going to hurt Nepal because this is 4 runs on the board. It has come off the bat of Simudas. So Simudas. Oh! She hits it at the last moment. She can only hear to the sound of the ball, remember? And she hits it at the last moment.
A good presence of mind on the part of Deepika TC there.
The World Cups made by the men or women. And Deepika drives one through the vacant long off region. Couple of more runs for Deepika TC. Boundary, maybe that is something. Yeah, that. This is exactly what I was trying to say. It is in the gap and a good stop. Amazing work by Dilisara Dhamala. Deepika and Simudas. And the big whip now comes out with that big shot. She's also gone ahead and reached 50 here for Deepika.
Served half century and it's come in quick time. 40 balls.
Oh, and she follows it up. Simudas.
Lekin momentum swing ho raha hai. You can sense that. And against the run of play, the wicket to wicket line delivering dividends for Sushma Tamang. She had kept the ironwork, the stumps in play, went for the sweep, not because of the wear and tear.
Yeah, there are huge chances, Anisha, because I've seen this ball for a long, long time now. Now that's a good timing towards long off. Nobody there. And Dilisara Dhamala herself goes to save that one and nobody backing up. Deepika TC.
Good thinking on the part of Fulla and Deepika.
Yeah, and once again a big shot. You mentioned about the boundaries.
An important landmark reached with that disdainful stroke from Fulla Soren. We have been talking
that the boundary is around the corner at least. Goes down the wicket. Oh, good stop. What's that for a save? B1 fielder at that mid-wicket region. Fell towards the left and the run out for Fulla Soren when she came back for the
Baria all round and apprehended the momentum and the throw straight to the wicket keeper.
Last ball of the first innings. Basanti scores that one towards deep square leg. They will go for a second run. Basanti's got fresh and energetic legs compared to Deepika. T overs, 209 on the board for India.
City, a warm welcome to all our viewers.
Fulla Soren with the first ball, plays it away nicely, strong shot towards deep square. Aneka Thakur comes into the attack. Again another new bowler, but this is a good shot on the reverse from Binita Pun.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೀತಿ
But India, as they witness this momentous, this landmark global tournament. So locals say we've gone global as Dr. Mahantesh has guided us.
Go out there and give a huge shout out to all the women now, because without women, yeah, the men definitely can't plan and execute anything. That's what it is. As that's a nice save there from Deepika TC, known for her explosive batting. Again, that big shot comes out, and will that be the first boundary? Yeah. Nicely played away, straight down the ground, beats Fulla Soren. Deepika TC has just bowled 1 over. Only Ganga Kadam has come out and bowled 2 overs, that's all. That's in the gap. Phula Soren is giving in the chase towards mid-wicket. Nice work. So 4 runs there.
Else's.
Yeah, that's because, like we keep talking about it, the B1 players are the ones who will have a lot. 8 overs that has been bowled, that has to be bowled by the B1 bowlers.
And in Bengaluru, gone a little overcast suddenly. Nothing to dampen the spirit of India. Another shot at the stumps. They're appealing for the direct hit. The wicketkeeper is confident. Durga Yavle.
Ishi now. Now because the throw that came in. Oh, hang on. Curtains here because it's Mankeshi's wicket. Oh my God, that looks tight. I think the finger has gone up from Ashmita Mabir.
Third umpire. And that is going to be Curtains. Sprinting long on to long off. Under this kind of heat.
Oh, run out. Run out here. Slow one from Deepika. That's been nudged towards point. Direct hit. And this is a clear decision.
India have always had their tails up as a fielding unit. And more often than not, they are right on the money. This time too, clean pickup, cleaner throw. And look at that direct hit.
The Nepal run chase. They've got Ishara coming in at number 5. Another run out opportunity here. Yes, that's it.
It was a non-existent run. Played powerfully towards Basanti on that occasion. She initially shaped up to throw it at the wicketkeepers, and one match underway in Bengaluru, the other in Colombo.
Oh, right. That was slow enough.
Within a story that
The bowlers getting a due instead of the fielders. Aneka Devi Thakur.
the bat in the first win, finished it with the ball in the second, and here too, she does a tidy job.
As they finished 20 overs, 124 is all that they could manage as Nepal. And India winning this by a massive 85 runs.